Do you feel stuck in life? Do you feel that you want success but cannot find a sure short way? Or do you feel that something is not working? Then stop over here and be with me till the end of this video, because I am going to provide you life changing information at the end of this video. You are not alone. Billions of people in this world are suffering from this problem, and believe me, they die without getting treatment. I remember that one of my friend Rahul, who was living 7 kilometers away from the city near airport. You know, generally airports are built outside the city area, and I was living near the central area, which is near state transport, near railways, etc. Right? So we met one day on the road, and I invited him to come to my house for a cup of tea. And do you know what Rahul said? He said that, Hitesh, I definitely want to come to your house for a cup of tea, but you are living very far. Now listen, I am living in the center area. He is living 7 kilometers away, and he is saying to me that I am living far. The same is case given in Think and Grow Rich also, friends. In Think and Grow Rich, a Chinese student came to study in America in American way, and he took admission in Chicago University. And one day, president of the university asked the student, that Chinese student, that what difference, what distinct difference you find in you and American students. And do you know what he said? He said that it's clear, your eyes are slant. Now, what do you say to this Chinese student? So the problem is, in business also we are doing same mistake. We say that your product is too costly. We say that customer don't understand my product. We also say that government is coming up always with useless rules and norms. But friends, your problem is that you are measuring everything with your scale. It's like my way is highway. In NLP, we call it deletion, distortion, and generalization, because our mind perceive it with our own filters. There are lots of information coming to us, but we cannot handle all the information. So we delete lots of information. Lots of means 99.99% of information we delete. Then we distort the information so that we can understand it in our own way. And finally, we generalize the information so that we can make some rules, and we can make our life easy by making that rules. But the problem is, if you will measure everything with your own scale, you will find defeat like that Chinese student, right? So never measure with your own rules. And if you want to learn more, do connect with me in all this video series about Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill NLP way. And I also offering you something very exciting, and that is Mind Power for Business NLP way. Friends, if you are a businessman, if you are an entrepreneur, you can be in retail, or you can be in wholesale, or you might be an industrialist. You can be a professional like chartered accountant, architect, engineer. You can be in any business. It might be a business of product or service. This workshop is for you. This is going to be a 30 days challenge, where I am offering you no fees, but pay what you want. That means at the end of workshop, you will decide what you want to pay, and you will pay. And There are no rules for payment. I don't ask anything. It's all up to you. Pay what you want, right? So it will be a 30 days challenge where you will learn 3 basic concepts to improve your business. 3 basic means these are the expanded in the workshop. You will learn to meditate on your own. Then you will learn to bring change in yourself, and then that will help you to enjoy your life, to enjoy your business and enjoy profits, right? So be ready for this challenge. And below this video I have given a link of the form. If you want to attend this challenge, definitely just fill the form and select your language so that I can understand in which workshop I should invite you. And this will be going to be a life changing workshop for you, and don't miss it, because I am opening it over here for very few days, and after that I will close this offer. So be with me in this series, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, NLP Way. Bye for now, and see you into the next video.